Hey there, do you want to change your iPhone battery icon color on your iPhone? If your answer is yes, try this out. Here is the step-by-step guide on how to change your iPhone battery color with just one click. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. To do that, open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down, tap on Accessibility, scroll down, tap on your app settings, tap Home Screen and App Library, scroll down, find the Smart Invert option. After that, toggle the Smart Invert switch to the on position. Now, swipe down, tap and hold the brightness slider. Enable dark mode, and your iPhone battery color will be changed. Now try to charge your device and see what happens. So, this is how you can change the iPhone battery color. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.